Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Castello, board-certified family practice, and today we're going to talk about priapism. A priapism is an erection that will not go away, or as you've heard on the TV commercials, if you have an erection lasting more than 4 hours, call your doctor. The problem is that they actually can be fairly painful. They can cause damage to the tissue and actually death and injury and failure to have an erection later. So if you develop a priapism, other than because it's very painful, you need to go to the doctor to prevent damage to the tissues. In the old days, we used to see priapism more with sickle cell disease and sometimes with leukemias and other blood conditions. More commonly now, we're seeing it with the Viagra type of drugs causing a priapism. There's also some injectable medications we have used in the past that induce an erection, and these can cause a prolonged erection or priapism as well. So you need to get to the doctor if you have a priapism because of pain issues and because of death to the tissues. This does remind me of a story of a man who had a priapism, and it was very painful. He was kind of embarrassed about it and had to go get medical care because of the discomfort. So he put on his coat and he decides to go back to the pharmacy where he bought his Viagra from originally. He walks into the pharmacy, and at the counter is a lady pharmacist, and he's a little embarrassed and has to get up the courage to go to the counter and talk to her, and he does. He asks her if there's a male pharmacist that he could talk to, and the pharmacist says, well, it's just my sister and I that own this pharmacy, and both being medical professionals, we would appreciate if you would talk to us as you would a male pharmacist. So the man opens up his trench coat and he says, it's been like this for 2 days, what can you give me for it? And the pharmacist has a bit of shock on her face, and she says, well, let me go in back and talk to my sister, and I'll be right back. So after a couple of minutes, the lady pharmacist comes up front and tells the man, I've had a conversation with my sister, and we've agreed that we can give you $5,000 cash and half ownership of the pharmacy. Dr. Greg Castello, thanks.